Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop language specific product images. In this tutorial, I will show you how the store owner can translate the product images by uploading different product images for different languages available on the store. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. After the installation of the module, a new option, display images according to the selected language, gets added on the catalog product pages. If this option is enabled, then the images uploaded for this language will be shown on the product page at front end on selecting the language. Suppose admin has uploaded the images for English and French languages. Now, when a customer visits the product page and suppose he selected the French language, then the image uploaded by admin for the French language will be displayed. And if a customer has selected the English language, then the image uploaded for the English language will be displayed. If admin has disabled display images according to the selected language option, then all the images uploaded by admin will display on the product page. Here we can see that all the images uploaded are getting displayed on the product page irrespective of the language selected. Now let's discuss module configuration. If admin enables this field, then the product images are internally mapped to the selected language, even if display images according to the selected language is disabled. Let's upload an image for the French language. Now, when admin enables this field, he will find the image uploaded for the French language under the Basic Settings tab. If admin has disabled both map product images with languages and display images according to the selected language field, then the product images are not internally mapped to the selected language. Let's upload an image for the English language. Now, if admin enables this field, then he won't find the image that he uploaded for the English language.